In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering pressure switch on your Dodge Ram. It's located down underneath the bottom side of your power steering reservoir. Now we're going to go ahead and use a handheld vacuum pump, and we're going to open up our reservoir, pop the cap off, set the cap aside. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pull out the power steering fluid. Now what we're going to do is we're going to continue to do this until our reservoir is empty. You can go ahead and put that into a bucket. Let's continue to drain our power steering reservoir. Once the tank is empty, go ahead and install your power steering reservoir cap until we're ready to fill that later on. Now on the bottom side right here is your pressure sensor, and there is a harness or an electrical connector right here. We want to press in on this little tab right here and remove that harness. With that connector removed, we're going to use our 22 millimeter wrench. Once you break that free, I'm going to go ahead and spin that out. Go ahead and take your new pressure sensor here. I'm going to go ahead and thread that in as far as we can by hand. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Now I want to hold that hard line with the other hand if you can. I want to make sure that this is in there snug. There is an O-ring seal on there. I want to make sure that's nice and tight in there. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the connector end. I'm going to go ahead and grab our harness, line that up, and push it on. You can hear it and feel it snap into place. Now you can go ahead and top off your power steering reservoir. Now at this point here, I want to go ahead and locate our power steering reservoir cap right here. I'm going to spin that off. You want to go ahead and get the proper fluid that is recommended by Dodge for this here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the appropriate amount of fluid to get it up to the fill cold. Before we start up the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and jack up the front. We're going to turn the key to the on position and cycle the steering wheel all the way to the right, all the way to the left, and try and get this fluid working through our system to prevent any air bubbles from being stuck in there. Once that happens, we'll go ahead and start up the vehicle. Continue to do that and work the bubbles out. Any noise or whining noises should go away almost immediately. If not, go ahead, shut down the vehicle, check your fluid level, and you're going to continue this process. Make sure that you have the proper amount of fluid in here. Go ahead and pop in your funnel, make sure that's clean. And we'll go ahead and start adding that fluid. Once your fluid is filled up, go ahead and secure that cap, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.